This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to attach the wings as you're crocheting the body of my free amigurumi pattern, Peter the Penguin. At this point, you should have 2 completed wings ready to attach. You should also have the body crocheted to the end of round 28. We'll start attaching the first wing in the very last stitch of round 29, then finish attaching both wings as we crochet round 30. Let's complete rounds 29 and 30 together. In round 29, we'll single crochet 4, switch to white yarn, then with white yarn, we'll single crochet 11, switch to black yarn, then with black yarn, we'll single crochet 14. In the very last stitch of the round, we'll start attaching the first wing. Insert your hook through one of the slip stitches at the top of the wing, then through the final stitch on the body. Single crochet, insert your stitch marker, and we'll begin round 30. In the next 5 stitches, we'll finish attaching the wing. Switch to white yarn, then we're going to single crochet 9 with the white yarn. Switch to black yarn, then in the next 6 stitches, we'll attach the second wing. Okay, then single crochet 10 with black yarn to finish out round 30. Your wings are now attached. Complete the remainder of the body and head as the pattern is written. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!